We have Sumeet Bagadia, Associate Director, Choice Broking, joining us from Mumbai. Sumeet, 8,000 is proving to be a little bit of resistance earlier in the day. Previous lows become resistance points. Do you think now the Nifty has taken it out conclusively? And what would be your top picks? Do you think the markets could extend the gains from here on over the next couple of sessions? What would be your top picks?
Hi Anisha, good afternoon. Well, as far as Nifty is concerned, recently now, 15 minutes back, we have seen that Nifty has broken the level of 8,000, but the overall structure on Nifty is looking weak. I think till the time 8030 is not taken away on higher side, Nifty is weak, and overall structure is looking weak. So I think if there is any pullback because of expiry in next 1 or 2 days, then that should be used as a selling opportunity. I think overall the range for Nifty would be 7,800 on lower side to 8,200 on higher side. So I think if because of expiry, if there is any pullback in Nifty of 80 to 100 points from present levels, then that should be used as a selling opportunity. Because on downside, we are expecting Nifty to again touch levels of around 7900 or 7850 levels in next couple of days. So till the time we don't get any convincing close or with breakout with volumes, any pullback or upside move in Nifty should be used as selling opportunity for the immediate target of 7900 levels. And for short term and for shorter term time horizon, the range for Nifty would be 300-400 points from present levels. That means 8,200 on higher side to 7,800 levels on lower side.
And your top picks, Sumeet?
Well, Anisha, see, at present we are expecting IT stocks to give good upside move. I think today we have seen a move in Tech Mahindra and Wipro. We are giving buy call in Tech Mahindra. We have already issued a call in Tech Mahindra for the targets of around 470, 480 levels. I think if anyone wants to initiate a position in Tech Mahindra, then can initiate at CMP, or if by chance there is small correction from present levels till 440, 445 levels, then that should be used as a buying opportunity with the trading stop loss to be placed at 430 levels on lower side for the immediate upside of 470 and 480 levels. And if 470, 480 levels are taken away, then we will see extended rally till 500 levels. So overall, most of the IT stocks are looking good to me. Among IT stocks, Tech Mahindra is looking very appealing at present levels. One can initiate long position in Tech Mahindra at CMP for the targets of 470, 480 levels immediately.
All right. Sumeet, what's your view on some of the metal stocks? Take a look at Hindalco, Vedanta, NMDC, even Tata Steel to some extent. Whenever the markets tend to find their feet or move up slightly, the metal stocks outperform. Do you think they are good for more? Could these be trading picks at these levels, or should one wait for a correction?
See, Anisha, as far as the view on metals is concerned for next 3 to 4 months time horizon, we are bullish on most of the metal stocks. We feel that from present levels, we will see a upside move of at least 20 to 30% next 2 to 3 months time horizon. That means Hindalco, Vedanta, NMDC, all these stocks are looking good to me. But for a short term time horizon, if there is small correction from present levels, then that would be a good buying opportunity. There is a possibility that because of volatility and because of correction in the market, there can be small correction in the counters like Hindalco, then Vedanta, then Tata Steel 2, NMDC, Hindustan Zinc. So I think if there is a correction of around 8 to 10 rupees in most of the stocks from present levels, then that should be used as a buying opportunity. And if anyone is investing or taking a fresh view in metal stock, then they can start accumulating the stocks like Hindalco and Vedanta with a 30 to 50% position at present levels, and rest of the positions once when the stocks correct from present levels. Overall, for next few months, these stocks are looking very good. As far as Hindalco as far as Hindalco is concerned, we are expecting targets of around 190 to 200 levels very soon, and overall we are expecting targets of around 220 also. So I think any dip from present level should be used as buying opportunity.
Okay, so positive on metals and banks, because a day earlier the bank Nifty has seen a big crack. Today there is some recovery. Do you think the bank Nifty and the major banks are still looking a little dodgy, or do you think they're finding their feet and could head higher?
See, Anisha, first we will talk about Bank Nifty. I think Bank Nifty has given a correction in last couple of days, and immediately the stock is Bank Nifty is near 200 DMA. There is a possibility that after a small pullback, we can again see a second round of sell-off in most of the banking stocks as well as Bank Nifty. In Bank Nifty, immediately on higher side, the resistance is at around 18,800, 18,900 levels. So purely for a short-term trading perspective, till the time 1800 levels are not taken away, one can be on sell side. The immediate targets of 300, 1800 levels. This is a very short-term view on Bank Nifty. Uh, in next couple of days, we can see a range of around 700 points in Bank. That means 18100 on lower side, 18800 on higher side. As far as bank stocks are concerned, yes, after the correction, or if there is a little bit more correction from present levels, we feel that PSU banking stocks will be the best pick for next couple of months. I would name few of these stocks like Union Bank, PNB, Punjab National Bank, SBI, Canara Bank, Bank of Baroda. These are some of PSU banking stocks, and private banking like ICICI Bank, Axis Bank. These stocks look good to me. In next 3 to 4 months time horizon, we can see a very good upside rally in most of these stocks. Probably a upside of around 25 to 30%. So I think any dip from present level should be used as buying opportunity in most of the banking stocks.
All right. Banks state-owned banks are in his focus, and he also likes ICICI and Axis. So it's just less than a minute for the markets to close, and we have seen strong gains coming to the metal stocks. Hindalco up 6%, ICICI up 0.5%, Bank of Baroda going up with gain of 1%, but BHE amongst the biggest losers of the day today, down 3.5%. Even L&T was trading in the red ahead of its earnings. Power Grid is down 0.5%, NTPC down 0.5%, so the power stocks are seeing some pressure. Adani Ports up 2%, Tata Motors up 2%, ONGC up 1%, Reliance getting to 4 digits again with a gain of about 1%, Tata Power up 0.5%, Sun Pharma absolutely flat. Yes Bank seeing quite a reversal with a gain of about 2% at close, BPCL up 1%, Infosys up 1/3%, HDFC, the finance major, up 2.5% nearly. Coal India is finding a lot of support around 300 levels, closing with a gain of about 1%. Tech Mahindra seeing a strong move today, up nearly 2% at 455 rupees. Aurobindo Pharma up 1%, but seeing a lot of volatility during the day. GAIL is down 1.5%, L&T down 1.5%, Ambuja Cement also finding its feet. It is up 1.6%, and Hindalco closed the day with the biggest gains, up 6% or thereabouts. IndusInd Bank up 1%, Cipla up 1%, Z Entertainment also seeing a strong up move, up 3.5%, HCL Tech up 0.5%, Lupin up 1.5%. So good day coming in for some of the metal and IT stocks. From the broader markets, we've seen India Cements up 7%, Shobha up 7.5%, Prestige Estates up 7.5%. So some of these South India-based cement and real estate companies having a good run today. Manappuram Finance bouncing back with gains about 7%. Indian Hotels up 6.5%. BGR Energy up 6%. I think there was a new order also coming in for that counter. United Spirits also up 6% at close, and Hindustan Constructions up 5.5%. So none of those mid caps are seeing strong action today. On the losing end, Reliance Communications down 5%, Magna FinCorp down 4%, IRB down 3.5%. We had 8K Miles down 3.5%, KC International down 3%, and some of the other mid caps like Unitech and UCO Bank saw cuts about 2% or so. That's how the markets closed for the day, and at close we've managed the Nifty has managed closing above 8,000 level. Sumeet, you gave us some of your short-term picks. In this bounce back, do you think there'll be any opportunity for you to create fresh shorts? If yes, any ideas there?
See, Anisha, for next couple of days, I think most of the stocks will give correction. In fact, because we are expecting a correction in realty stocks, we are expecting a correction in housing finance stocks, and as far as Nifty and Bank Nifty is concerned, in next couple of days, there is a possibility that we might again see selling pressure at higher levels, and we can see correction in Nifty till 7,800 or probably 7,750 levels. I think in the present scenario, if there is any pullback in realty stocks or if there is any pullback in housing finance stock, then that should be used as a selling opportunity. Realty stocks like DLF, SDL, both are looking weak to me. We have already issued a sell call in SDL. We think that SDI is weak on charts, and probably we can see levels of around 52 or 50 in next couple of days. So if anyone wants to initiate a position in SDL, then that should be on sell side. One can initiate sell call at CMP also, and if by chance there is small pullback in SDL till 57 58 levels, then that can be used as a selling opportunity for the downside target of 52 and then 50 also. We are also expecting a correction in housing finance stocks. So I think for next couple of days there is a possibility in next couple of days there is a possibility that because of expiry, if there is small pullback in housing finance stock, then that should be used as a selling opportunity. Like for example, LIC Housing Finance, DHFL. Both are looking weak to me. In DHFL, if there is a small pullback in prices till 235 or 238 levels, then that can be used as a selling opportunity. In fact, one can initiate sell position at CMP also, and on downside immediately the stock can touch levels of around 210, and if 210 is taken away, then we can see extended sell off till 200 or 190 levels also. I think for next couple of days these two sectors should be in focus, and we can see some selling pressure at higher levels.
All right, so we thank you so much for speaking with us at NDTV Profit and giving us your top picks for the next couple of sessions. Those are the views of Sumeet coming in. Finally, the market seeing some green, again about 1% for the Sensex and the Nifty, and a close in the green. After nearly 6 sessions of losses for the Sensex, we've seen a decent bounce back today.